1. 1979 Jeep Golden Eagle, 2500 Almington. Let's kick things off with a true classic, the 1979 Jeep Golden Eagle. This Jeep comes with a 304 crate engine that's still sealed in plastic. Yes, a brand new engine ready for installation. The odometer reads 100,000 miles and it's equipped with an automatic transmission. The vehicle sports a brown exterior, exuding a vintage 70s vibe. Unfortunately, the title is missing, so potential buyers will need to handle the paperwork. At $2,500, this is a solid option for someone looking to take on a rewarding restoration project. Two, 1970 Dodge Dart, $1,750. Next, we have a 1970 Dodge Dart, a reliable sedan from the muscle car era. This car is in running condition and even comes with classic plates, valid for 5 years, meaning no inspections or tag renewals for a while. It's got a clean title, and the green paint gives it a cool retro aesthetic. Powered by an automatic transmission, this Dart is priced to sell at $1,750, making it an excellent deal for a collector or anyone seeking an affordable classic to restore. 3. 1962 Corvair Monza, $900 Colorado Springs. Moving on, we have a project-worthy 1962 Chevrolet Corvair Monza coupe. This car has a solid running motor with no smoke or knocking, and it comes with spare parts, including a rear glass and vent windows. While the upholstery is decent, the paint is old and there are cracks in the windshield. Mechanically, it needs work on the fuel system, possibly a clogged fuel line or a failing pump, and the brakes need attention as well. The South Dakota title is clean, and despite the floor being patched with sheet metal, this could be a great restoration starting point for just $900. 4. 1963 Plymouth V200 Valiant, $7,500. Next up is a 1963 Plymouth Valiant, described as a virgin car that's never been wrecked. This rust-free West Coast classic is in impressive condition. The odometer reads 58,000 miles, likely original, and the car has seen recent maintenance, including new tires, rear brake lines, and a transmission fluid change. It even features a rare NOS locking fuel cap made by Stant USA for Mopar. This white sedan is priced at $7,500, ideal for someone looking for a well-preserved, ready-to-drive vintage car. .5. 1969 Oldsmobile Toronado, $2,500. Here's a barn find. A 1969 Oldsmobile Toronado that's been in storage for over 30 years. This car is powered by a 455 Ci engine, and the sale includes an additional engine and transmission. While it's not road ready and must be towed, the car does have a clean title. At $2,500, this is an exciting opportunity for those who appreciate classic American luxury coupes and are up for a restoration challenge. 6. 1973 Dodge Dart Custom, 2, Sacramento. For those looking for an affordable project car, check out 1973 Dodge Dart Custom. Equipped with a 318 V8 engine, this car is complete but not running at the moment. It comes with its original blue California license plates, a clean title, and is currently in non-operational status. With a price of $2,000 OBO, this is a great starting point for restoration or could serve as a donor car for parts. 7. 1965 Dodge Coronet. The 1965 Dodge Coronet is a four-door classic powered by a 318 V8 with an automatic transmission. It's an all-original car, including the paint and interior. However, it has been sitting for years and needs work on the fuel pump, brakes, and other cosmetic issues. Lights and gauges are functional, and the car is registered until 2025 with a clean title. Priced at $2,500, this could be a relatively straightforward restoration for a vintage car enthusiast. 8. 1975 Chevrolet Corvette T-Top, $8,900, Reno, Nevada. A true American icon, this enters Chide, 1975 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray, packs a freshly rebuilt 350 engine, producing 400 horsepower. It features T-tops, air conditioning, and power options like steering and brakes. The car has about 100,000 miles on the body and 10,000 miles on the engine. Recent upgrades include new tires, brakes, exhaust, and suspension components. Although the paint and body are in fair condition, this green Corvette is a strong runner with a clean title, priced at $8,900. 1975 Chevrolet Nova, $6,500. Here's a 1975 Chevy Nova Coupe with a 350 engine, paired with a BorgWarner Super T10 4-speed manual transmission. The car has a clean title and is smog exempt in California. The trunk sticks occasionally and some gauges need to be reconnected, but overall, it's a solid project. Priced at $6,500, it's a great option for someone seeking a classic muscle car with a unique flair. (10) 1969 Buick GS400 Stage 1, $6,900. This 1969 Buick GS400 is equipped with the rare Stage 1 engine. Recently pulled from long-term storage, it hasn't been started and requires mechanical attention. The paint is old but retains its vintage charm. It's an ambitious project for a buyer who knows the value of this iconic car. At $6,900, it's a solid deal for a serious collector or enthusiast. (11) 1970 Chevrolet Camaro, $8,800, Oakland Hills. Finally, we have a 1970 Chevrolet Camaro, equipped with a 350 crate engine and a rebuilt transmission with a shift kit. This car runs, drives, and stops, but needs a full restoration. The interior was removed for upholstery work, and some pieces may be missing. With a clean title, this Camaro is priced at $8,800 firm, offering a solid foundation for a rewarding restoration project. This extended transcript includes more details to keep the audience engaged and informed.